So these types of videos are right now getting viral on YouTube and other social media platforms, and everyone wants to know how to make them. But don't worry, I am here to tell you the easiest and most realistic way to create these videos. Let me show you the proof first. So we are going to make these types of clips in this video, so be ready for that. As I already showed you the proof, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you will never miss these types of videos in the future. I am also going to tell you how you can make other types of videos, so stay connected with me. Okay, first, you have to copy this prompt. I will provide the link in the description box of this video. Copy the first prompt, come to Google Gemini, use Nano Banana, and generate your first image. After that, download the image and go to grok.com. Here you have to upload your image. Then, come to the prompt file, copy the first prompt, paste it, and select your video duration, quality, and frame. After the video is generated, if you are satisfied with the quality, you can upscale it. If you are not satisfied, you can regenerate the video. After that, download the video. Then take a screenshot of the last frame of the video. Then again come to Grok, upload the image, copy the second prompt of the video, and paste it into Grok. Generate the video again, and download it. Similarly, open it and screenshot the last frame. Now again, come to Grok, upload it, copy the third prompt, and repeat the same process. Finally, upload the last screenshot and paste the fourth prompt here. After generating the video, open any video editor, import all the clips, and combine them. And that's it. If you want to add any type of sound effects, you can also use them. And the final video will look like this. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video, or check out my channel for other videos.